Hello everyone and welcome to Driven Mad.
Well, it's our Abarth update on our issue with paint damage.
That is right.
We picked it up a couple of days ago, 2 days ago,
It is.
from the dealer, who we can only say thank you. They've done a fantastic job.
Really good job. So we were expecting, obviously, after if you haven't watched, go back and watch them. It's quite interesting just to see what's happened, I think. But we got the car and it was scratched, and we weren't expecting masses, were we?
No. If you put it this way, it's a main dealer, it's the Abarth dealer. Just a quick recap, they clearly cleaned it with a broom, so if you swept all this gravel up, put it in a bucket and then cleaned the car, that's the damage level they've done. And to be fair, for a company to respray part of a car, they were fully aware of it, and that's the severity of the damage.
Yep. So what's happened is the whole front end has been resprayed, and they have colour matched it incredibly well. You can see here that this looks fantastic. They did polish the rest of the car. I have given it a once over with polish since, but it nigh on looks very similar to how I got it back. They did a really good job to what we were expecting as well. I mean, we were expecting the worst, and we came out relatively chuffed. So
well, we went in expecting a massive argument, didn't we? And to be fair, they were very apologetic. They've put it right. They've polished it. They've gone above and beyond what we expected, and I'm super relieved because it's your pride and joy.
Me too. And luckily there are no traces of holograms in the paint at all, and in this sunlight, this is the first time we've got it out properly in the sun since we picked it up, and it does look
he won't drive it now.
Look, no, I don't want to drive it. I didn't even want to bring it around the side. So no, really happy with it. And now the upgrades can commence. There may be bits of polish residue.
Sorry, just a bit of polish residue.
Yeah,
I haven't seen it in the light.
No, me neither actually. So there will be little bits for me to buff off, I think.
But the paint, the colour match, because obviously on a car that's this old, in their defence, a black car will have slightly lightened over the years,
yes.
One would have expected, but the colour matching is spot on.
It is, and it's a really, really deep and metallic black, so I'm super chuffed that it's back to its full
because it's a beautiful
potential.
paint job.
It's a lovely paint job, and it needs to be cleaned to show it off, and now it is. I can keep the maintenance on the paint, wash it well every time, and it should stay like this forevermore. But the parts I've got coming on it are quite interesting. Back box exhaust was delivered today, so that's another video coming up. Get in. And yeah, to Dad's disappointment, I've got a lot of bits to do on this.
No disappointment, I just wish I was young.
You are, Badge. Come here.
Yeah.
He is. So we will end the video here, and if you have watched the Abarth documentation, thank you for watching.
Sometimes a happy outcome can happen. Yes. So no, we're super chuffed, and yes, so the lights can go on, the exhaust can go on, the carbon fibre rear doofer can go on, and
great. So
excellent.
Stay tuned for all of that. We thank you very much for watching,
and thanks for the comments. And we know quite a few of you have shared our pain, and we appreciate that. So thank you.
Yes, and stay tuned for the future videos. Thanks for watching.